Squint makes every operator an expert. Let's take a look at Squint in action. First, expert operators easily capture tribal knowledge by simply filming the procedure. Then, Squint automatically generates a digital version of it. Once approved, anyone can perform the procedure like an expert. Squint guides operators around any space using augmented reality, layering digital step-by-step guidance on critical components in real time. Squint Procedures also includes media that demonstrates proper techniques, making complex procedures easy to follow and understand. For compliance, the operator uses AI step verification, automatically comparing photos of the completed work against ideal reference images. This real-time validation can help to ensure procedures are executed correctly the first time. When unexpected downtime happens, Squint becomes your virtual assistant, working alongside operators to quickly resolve issues. Operators can ask Squint questions and get answers at their fingertips, instantly surfacing relevant answers to any operator questions and providing immediate access to your organization's knowledge. This leads to faster problem resolution and minimizes costly production delays. Supervisors gain real-time visibility into operator performance through Squint's comprehensive analytics dashboard. We transform every team member into an expert by combining intelligent guidance, instant knowledge access, and performance tracking, yielding consistent, high-quality results across your entire operation.